I can't wait. Oh, sorry, white-haired gardener here. We may have a momentous occasion today. My sweetie, Mr. White-haired gardener, let the chickens out, and he told me to go and look in the coop. Now, he wouldn't tell me if we have our very first egg, but I kind of think that we might, just because he wouldn't tell me. So come with me and let's see what we've got in the coop today. I'm kind of excited here. I'm hoping that it has happened. Because our hens are very close to laying eggs. And let's see. Ah, we do. Here, I will pull this over so you can get in here. And I'm going to take this. Oh, do you see the egg right in the center? Let me move this.
Yeah, you might want to tell them what those other things are.
Oh, I sure will. What we had done is we put in a little wooden egg and a couple of ceramic eggs to kind of encourage the chickens, to let them know where they should be laying eggs rather than out in the yard. So there you go. Look, our very first egg. I'm so thrilled. Here you go. Looky there. Now, I will come out so you can see this a little bit better. Now, look out here. I want you all to know this is probably the most expensive egg you will ever see. This, my friends, is a $2,000 egg. What with the shed, the food, the chickens, the fencing, all of that stuff, this better be a really good egg. Well, come with me. I am so thrilled. Let's talk about chickens and eggs. Now that we finally have eggs, or at least the beginning of it, soon we are going to have a lot of eggs. We have 7 hens, and Australorps are known to be very good egg layers. So if we have 7 hens, we could conceivably get, I don't know, 5, 6 eggs a day. What to do? I'm going to talk about storing these eggs. Now, fresh eggs, thank you, Tim. Fresh eggs do not necessarily need to be refrigerated. 100 years ago or so, it was not unusual to see a basket of fresh eggs sitting on a kitchen counter. Nowadays, with factory farming, what they do is they wash the eggs and they remove that protective bloom that the hen puts on the egg, so to speak. I mean, not consciously, but she puts it on the egg, so to speak, and that makes them airtight, and they will store on the countertop without refrigeration for a good 2 to 3 weeks. So the thing that I would recommend, especially like what's going to happen to us, is we're going to have a ton of eggs. Best to use the older eggs first. So what I would say to do is get a little wax pencil, colored pencil, and if you start getting a ton of eggs that you don't know what to do with, start writing the date on that. So basically I'll just do this and put the date on the top of the egg, and now you know which eggs are oldest, and those are the ones that you should use first. If it turns out that you have so many eggs that you can't use them up, go ahead and put them in the refrigeration. They'll keep for much, much longer, but it is not absolutely necessary. So there you go, our first egg, hopefully the first of many. And thank you very much for watching, and as I always forget to say, like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below.